Pakistan, a land of majestic mountains and ancient civilizations, holds within its embrace a treasure trove of hidden gems. This country, often known for its bustling cities and rich cultural tapestry, also harbors serene landscapes and historical wonders that remain largely unexplored by the world. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the ancient ruins that whisper tales of bygone eras, Pakistan is a land of contrasts and surprises. Among these hidden treasures is Charsadda, a city steeped in history and adorned with natural beauty. This city, with its roots tracing back to ancient civilizations, offers a unique blend of the past and the present. The lush green fields that surround Charsadda are dotted with historical landmarks, each telling a story of its own. Nestled in the heart of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, Charsadda invites you to uncover its secrets and experience the warmth of its people. The aerial views of this city reveal a landscape that is both inviting and mysterious. The locals, known for their hospitality, add a layer of warmth to the city's charm, making every visitor feel at home. Prepare to be captivated by a symphony of sights, sounds, and stories that have echoed through the ages. The vibrant street scenes, filled with the hustle and bustle of daily life, contrast beautifully with the serene natural landscapes that surround the city. Each corner of Charsadda has a story to tell, a piece of history to share. Charsadda's allure lies in its unique blend of nature, history, and culture. The city's natural scenery, with its rolling hills and lush fields, provides a stunning backdrop to its historical sites. Local festivals and cultural dances add a vibrant touch to the city's rich tapestry, offering a glimpse into the traditions that have been passed down through generations. The city stands as a testament to the passage of time, with each stone whispering tales of ancient civilizations and valiant warriors. The ancient ruins, with their historical inscriptions and old stone architecture, offer a window into the past, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience the grandeur of bygone eras. From the ruins of Gandhara to the vibrant bazaars brimming with local crafts, Charsadda offers a journey of discovery for the curious mind. The ruins of Gandhara, with their intricate carvings and historical significance, are a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Meanwhile, the bustling bazaars, filled with local crafts and artifacts, provide a sensory overload of colors, sounds, and scents. Come, let us delve into the heart of this captivating city and unearth the treasures that await. Whether you are a history buff, a nature lover, or simply someone looking for a unique travel experience, Charsadda has something to offer. So pack your bags and get ready to explore this hidden gem in Pakistan, where every moment is a discovery and every sight is a story waiting to be told. Imagine a landscape where mighty rivers carve their way through fertile plains, creating a mosaic of life and sustenance. These rivers, with their winding paths, have been the lifeblood of civilizations for millennia. They bring not just water, but also fertile soil, enabling agriculture to flourish and communities to thrive. The rivers are like veins, carrying the essence of life through the land, their waters reflecting the towering peaks that stand guard on the horizon. These rivers tell stories of ancient times. The mountains, with their majestic presence, seem to whisper secrets of the Earth's history. They stand tall as if protecting the land and its people, creating a serene yet powerful landscape that captivates the soul. This is Charsadda, a city shaped by the forces of nature. Over centuries, the interplay of rivers and mountains has sculpted this land into a unique geographical tapestry. The city is a living testament to the resilience and adaptability of human beings who have learned to coexist with the natural elements around them. Located just 29 kilometers from Peshawar, Charsadda is not just a geographical location, but a historical landmark. Its proximity to Peshawar has made it a significant hub for trade and cultural exchange, enriching its heritage and making it a melting pot of traditions and innovations. Charsadda enjoys a strategic location in the Valley of Peshawar, a valley that has seen the rise and fall of empires. This strategic position has made it a focal point for various civilizations, each leaving its mark on the land, contributing to its rich and diverse history. The city is embraced by the Kabul and Sweet rivers, which have been the lifelines for its inhabitants. These rivers have not only provided water, but have also been crucial for agriculture, transportation, and trade, making Charsadda a thriving center of activity. Their life-giving waters nurturing the land and sustaining its people for centuries. The fertile plains around Charsadda owe their richness to these rivers, which have made the region one of the most productive agricultural areas. The rivers have also been a source of inspiration for poets, artists, and thinkers, who to have drawn from their beauty and power. These rivers, along with the majestic Suleiman mountains that grace the horizon, create a breathtaking backdrop for the city. The mountains, with their rugged beauty, add to the dramatic landscape, making Charsadda a place of stunning natural beauty. This breathtaking backdrop extends to the surrounding villages, where the harmony between man and nature is evident. The villages, nestled between rivers and mountains, offer a glimpse into a way of life that is deeply connected to the natural world. Charsadda's geographical tapestry is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature, where the rhythms of life are dictated by the ebb and flow of the rivers and the changing seasons. This harmony is reflected in the daily lives of its people, who have learned to live in sync with the natural cycles. The ebb and flow of the rivers and the changing seasons dictate the rhythms of life in Charsadda. From the planting and harvesting of crops to the festivals and rituals, everything is influenced by the natural world. This deep connection to nature is what makes Charsadda a unique and enduring place, where the past and present coexist in harmony. Charsadda experiences a continental climate characterized by distinct seasons, each painting the landscape with its own unique hues. Summers are hot and dry, the sun's rays bathing the land in golden light. As the year progresses, the weather transitions into mild and pleasant winters. The air turns crisp and cool, carrying with it the scent of pine trees from the nearby hills. Springs in Charsadda are a sight to behold as nature awakens from its slumber and the land bursts into a riot of colors. The arrival of monsoon season in July brings much-needed relief from the summer heat. The air is thick with the earthy aroma of rain, and the rivers swell with renewed vigor, nourishing the thirsty land. Charsadda's fertile plains, nourished by the Kabul and Swat rivers, transform into a vibrant canvas of colors and scents. Step into a world where emerald green fields stretch as far as the eye can see, their undulating waves seemingly mimicking the rhythm of the wind. The air is thick with the sweet fragrance of orange blossoms, a testament to the region's rich citrus fruit production. Mango orchards, laden with the promise of juicy delights, add their own splash of color to the landscape. As you wander through the countryside, the scent of freshly tilled soil fills your nostrils, a reminder of the deep connection between the people of Charsadda and their land. Section 5, Hills Alive, Guardians of History and Wildlife. Rising from the plains like ancient protectors, the hills surrounding Charsadda are more than just geographical features. They are guardians of history, their slopes dotted with remnants of a bygone era. These hills hold within their embrace the whispers of ancient battles and the echoes of civilizations long past. As you traverse the rugged terrain, you might stumble upon hidden caves adorned with ancient rock carvings, each stroke telling a story waiting to be deciphered. The hills are also a sanctuary for a variety of wildlife, their slopes echoing with the calls of birds and the rustle of small animals. Keep a watchful eye out for the elusive fox or the majestic golden eagle soaring high above. Section 6, Echoes of Gandhara, Journey Through Time. Journey back in time to an era when Charsadda, once known as Pushkalavati, stood as a prominent center of the Gandhara civilization. Imagine walking through its bustling markets where traders from distant lands exchanged goods, ideas, and stories. The air would be filled with the sounds of lively conversations, the clinking of coins, and the aroma of exotic spices. This city was not just a hub of commerce, but also a melting pot of diverse cultures and beliefs. This ancient civilization, a melting pot of cultures and beliefs, flourished in the region over 2,000 years ago, leaving behind a legacy that continues to captivate historians and archaeologists. To this day, the people of Gandhara were known for their artistic prowess, creating intricate sculptures and stunning architecture that have stood the test of time. Their contributions to art, religion, and philosophy have had a lasting impact on the world. Charsadda is home to numerous archaeological sites that offer a glimpse into the splendor of the Gandhara period. Each site tells a story of a bygone era, revealing the daily lives, struggles, and triumphs of its inhabitants. The meticulous work of archaeologists helps us piece together the rich tapestry of history that defines this region. Among the most notable is the Bala Hisar fort, its crumbling walls whispering tales of ancient battles and royal intrigues. This fort, once a formidable stronghold, now stands as a silent witness to the passage of time. Its weathered stones have seen countless generations come and go, each leaving their mark on the landscape. The nearby site of Shaji Ki Deri, believed to be the ancient city of Pushkalavati, is a treasure trove of artifacts. Excavations here have unearthed a wealth of historical treasures, each piece offering a glimpse into the past. From intricately designed pottery to ancient tools, every artifact tells a story of the people who once called this place home. Unearthed fragments of pottery, intricate sculptures, and ancient coins. These discoveries not only shed light on the daily lives of the ancient inhabitants, but also highlight their artistic and cultural achievements. Each find adds a new chapter to the story of Gandhara, helping us understand the rich heritage of this remarkable civilization. Section 7, Cultural Tapestry, where traditions come alive. The heart and soul of Charsadda lie in its people. They are known for their warm hospitality, their smiles as genuine as the ancient land they call home. The Pashtun culture is deeply ingrained in the social fabric of Charsadda, its traditions passed down through generations like precious heirlooms. The spirit of unity and community is palpable in the air as neighbors gather in bustling bazaars to exchange news and share a cup of kerwa, the traditional green tea that fuels their days. The rhythmic beat of the atan, the traditional Pashtun dance, echoes through the streets during festivals, a testament to the region's vibrant cultural heritage. Section 8, From Farm to Feast, Sustaining a Heritage. Agriculture is the backbone of Charsadda's economy. Its fertile plains a tapestry of emerald green fields and golden wheat fields. The Kabul and Swat rivers, with their life-giving waters, have sustained generations of farmers who have tilled the land with love and dedication. The aroma of freshly baked bread from traditional clay ovens wafts through the air, mingling with the sweet scent of ripe mangoes and the tangy aroma of citrus fruits. Step into a local home and you'll be greeted with open arms and a table laden with delectable dishes. Savor the rich flavors of lamb karahi, its succulent meat cooked to perfection with a blend of aromatic spices. As Section 9, Modernization meets tradition, a glimpse into the future. While Charsadda remains deeply rooted in its traditions, the city is embracing progress without compromising its heritage. New roads and infrastructure are being developed, paving the way for greater connectivity and economic growth. Educational institutions are flourishing, empowering the younger generation with knowledge and skills to shape a brighter future. Despite the winds of change, Charsadda remains committed to preserving its cultural identity. The restoration of historical sites is underway, breathing new life into the echoes of the past. Charsadda is a city that embraces the future while honoring its past, a testament to the enduring spirit of its people.